Welcome to Pew Pew Park. Hey guys, Psycho316 here at Pew Pew Park, and I was at the store the other day and I just happened to find some microwave pork rinds, and I thought that was really strange, so I bought it because, well, I'm kind of strange myself. So let's go ahead and check this out. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave, and I will be right back. Okay guys, we just got done. It doesn't pop like popcorn. It said just to shake it 5 to 6 times like this, and then microwave for about a minute or two. Let's see. And then I'm actually going to pour it right into this bowl. Still got some pieces in there, but it's fine now. And actually, look at that. Actually looks pretty good. So let's try this out, right? Actually not bad at all. Not bad at all. If I turn the fan off, sorry. But yeah, it looks like the pork rinds I'd buy. Was the bacons? It being warm is a little weird to me because I'm used to buying it where it's cold, but it's not bad at all. I was worried when I bought this that it'd be kind of gross, or it wouldn't be able to get all puffed up like this. It'd kind of be greasy. Well, I guess it is kind of greasy, but it'd be like soggy in its grease. But it's pretty airy. It's good. It's not soaked up. It's not soaked in everything. It's like some of the pieces didn't exactly cook all the way. Yeah. So like popcorn, it doesn't all pop or expand the way it does. I'm going to have to see if they have the hot and spicy kind, because I do prefer that, but yeah. And on the package I saw that's actually made by Oberto, which if you guys know actually makes beef jerky. So they know what they're doing. If you know of anything else that's kind of weird or sounds like it might be kind of gross, kind of like I did with this or with that Sour Patch Kids cereal, put down in the comments below and maybe I'll check them out, give it another taste test. But I think unlike the Sour Patch Kids cereal, this actually gets a win to me. It's actually pretty good. So in here I thought I was going to have to wash it down with some Jameson or something. I still might have some, but I'll do that off camera. Until the next video, you guys all have a great day, okay? See you later.